Hey guys, welcome to Tech is Guru. Today we'll be learning how to know if someone has Snapchat Plus. Now, in order to know if someone has Snapchat Plus, first open up your Snapchat app and make sure to be logged into the account. So from over here, guys, at the top left corner of the screen, you can see your small Bitmoji icon or your profile icon. Tap over there. And in this interface, guys, you'll be required to go to your friend list. So scroll down and until you can see the my friends. Tap over there. Now, in order to know if someone has Snapchat Plus, guys, first we'll be required to open their account. So to do that, guys, let's tap on their name, and after that tap on the name again at the top of the screen. So in this interface, guys, where you can see the love icon, if somebody had a Snapchat Plus or Snapchat Premium, then a black star will be available on their account. Over here, guys, you can see there is a star in black. This means, guys, if they have this kind of icon just beside their name, this one on their account over here, I think my friend does not have a premium on Snapchat. With that being said, guys, again, this kind of icon will tell you that that guy has a Snapchat Plus or not. And with that being said, guys, this is how to know if someone has Snapchat Plus on Snapchat. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.